In this video, you'll learn how to make money using Claude Code by building custom AI-powered SaaS applications and offering various services. This guide will explore different avenues such as creating SaaS apps, freelancing opportunities, educational products, automation tools, and AI-powered coding assistance. Each method will provide insight into practical applications and monetization strategies. To begin, consider building a small web application using frameworks like Flask, Django, or Fast API. This will serve as the foundation for your software as a service. Once your web app is set up, you will integrate Claude Code via its API. This integration allows you to leverage its capabilities for code generation, optimization, and automation tasks. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this process, as API calls may require consistent access to Claude Code services. After integrating Claude Code, think about how you can monetize your application. One effective approach is to establish subscription plans for your users, which can range from $19 to $19 per month. These plans can cater to individual developers or teams, providing them with access to your app's features and Claude Code's functionalities. Always consider your target audience and their needs when setting pricing tiers. Another lucrative option is to offer your services as a freelancer or a consultant using Claude Code. You can help businesses or individuals accelerate their coding tasks, such as refactoring legacy Python projects or generating unit tests. When engaging in freelancing, determine your hourly rate, which can vary from $30 to $150 per hour, or consider per project contracts. Your efficiency with Claude Code will give you a competitive edge in the market. Creating educational products is another avenue to explore. You can utilize Claude Code to generate content for developers, such as coding tutorials or algorithm practice problems. This content can be packaged into online courses and sold on platforms like Udemy or Gumroad. Alternatively, consider developing a subscription newsletter that delivers valuable coding resources to subscribers, generating a steady income stream. Automation tools and scripts are also a viable business model. By building scripts or command line interface tools powered by Claude Code, you can assist other developers in saving time. For instance, you could create tools that batch generate tests or auto-optimize code across large projects. Monetization options include selling licenses for your tools, offering them as a SaaS solution, or utilizing GitHub sponsors for free tools with premium features. Lastly, consider packaging Claude Code into a developer-focused coding assistant product. This could take the form of a Visual Studio Code extension that generates tests or optimizes code, or a Slack bot that answers coding questions for teams. Monetization strategies here include charging for paid extensions, offering subscriptions, or selling enterprise licenses to organizations looking for enhanced functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.